Good morning, people. How are you doing? So, as you know, this is my beloved 1996 Civic Coupe, and what we are going to do on this today is sound system upgrade. So, I've got myself some JBL GTOs, Harman Kardons, and what we're going to do is get everything out. Because what I'm going to do, I have got some sound dampening sheets as well. So I want the seats out, I want the carpets out, I want the door cards out, and then I will put them sound dampening sheets in first, so the car is a bit more silent, and then we will of course upgrade the speakers. So let's start it and see what we can do. So first things first, get the tools in line. I want everything to be in line here so I don't go and back and forth to my garage again and again. So everything is here, whatever we need. We will just grab it from here and continue our job. Okay. So for the seats, we have one, we have two, and there's two on the back. Here, three, and the fourth one will be underneath that. These are all 12 millis. Let's get them out. हाँ जी. Well, the driver's seat is out. On to the next one. So all the bolts are here. Seats are out. Now we'll do the rear one. In this Civic there is a hidden 10 milli, I believe it's a 10 there. So if you undo that, then you simply lift the seat and it comes out. Let's do it now. Here it is. And now you simply lift it. It has these locks here. It will pop out. Here goes the rear. Now next we have these 14 millis for these seat belt thingies here. So get these out. We want these out because we want these pillar plastics to come out, and they're held on by them. Be careful about the spacers. The spacers go behind, as you can see. And now for these plastics, you have these Phillips here. Got that out. Then yeah. So now the next step in the coupe, to get these bags down, you have two releases. So you open your trunk, you release them, and these will fold down for extra space. And then you have these locks. You pull these out and these plastics will be free then to come out. So let's do that.